Fast ready, welcome.
Abantu baminto biamone naende onkoko kwambo ka Simba omorugi o Simba arati. I'm here to give condolences from the governor. Let me ask Mheshimiwa Omongo to translate. He seems to be alloyed with Mheshimiwa Onchoke. I don't know each of them who took each other's girlfriend.
Okay.
Actually, governor, when this thing happened, governor was out of the country. Immediately we came back, he told him I must come and say pone to the families. I visited the two families on another side. And when we came for this one, we found Mheshimiwa Onchoke on the road. I saw Mungo's face started changing like a pumpkin. And we're also seeing how we are going to help in the burial process. We have brought some shopping for the family. And also 20,000 from the governor. And I know MCS has also come with something to add on top. So that at least the family can have something. When visitors come, they can eat. That is 51.
And boy Gondomo Deputy Speaker. That Colenta Pole and Yaven, as was Richard. And I boy gas a family aye. Na kuni rusana kanaunga a tikete ngora kemiti nyetatu. Ajeta kumodigelia enivo agaracha kubaragelia bantabaye lakini pati mbaya akanyora makuli ya gweterenchira ya mubasokano. Etu achire gaiga asoko sanga mana inwe. Tobatenga no nyemora asoboro banene na intwe muna bari to kubakorera meremo gwetera chikure chino matoete na intu nabuto igweteri yandelio na ninga mune county ota matore sana ngana ekero monta korobwa yagachi na bato kuri kibesa muntu igwikabwa atia machikons ali atakeire egera abantu bako shortcut asoko gachi chinyomba chiche goita abantu baito igo tuagire kuba pole nabo kubasabira amaya nyakira muratora matanga litukiria chuma interge 22 ndogenda usanga na inwe nganegendere emechande yonse bobwate especially asaba naba bakebatigirwe turanga kitokonyara kubasira wetrase omugabana ito Simba arati uyo tomero mungana go chagaye na abatigire Nyasaye mutwara ukugena ko ino anse Nyasaye
nyorugia abanyanda kuba kwani mbia muri nandi pole njenguruka muracha Henry umujumbo basi central boye majority leader ya Kisii County Assembly. Itwachagaiga toche koenda na pole as a family ya Boaz, especially munginoye na bana bae na bantu bamwabo tobatenga pole Nyasaye nero kurona ndenero gokoraki nero koira bono mam you have to make shock absorbers kabisa ole mereli okinie gesa kungeroro so that gesa kuya Boaz gekoreki kerorekane na bamugutimuka wa Boaz kwale ko bayigo njerende yaringi nabo Nyasaye getengali tukoria na bari gokoraki pastor no bara tigaba tolemi batosabire Nyasaye sinmo gutigara mutigara no murembo Nyasaye
wadiana twacha kuba pole twakaba mungina kwambuka mungina we governor egere twete na tande mwino umwe shimiwe ino Omongo twabateranire mono neka twatebe governor postmortem ekor no twarengamo igo pole notra.
Personally nene yaba misi yaba tuli ofisi ya governor through the first lady elinde kuba pole na kumanya family elia bali banyora bokongu kagete ngaiga sobari jadi nyama utari bo tukuru gaiga tugende sobo John tumana kogenda ari ngumbu mungwano ulionde boas igo umungina tuachira abarore abatebi pole ande tumanyanga murubiri eno ngai muikeire so that tubwatera na matangaya elinde abe success mbobe go twakorire tutagite gavana tokonye amangana postmortem ikiagere epirie yarenge igoro na kirete gavana esimi immediately gavana ka instructing arangirije family chimomi akabaga keiterai I'm going to pay gavana na bakanete chibe restrictions abantu mete tukagenda na bari barengo mugako no arenge babo sakayo babo charedi tugatene mebire yiga koreru yonsi etano mbakiria ya nyabisaba ruguru bagakura gobono rero yacha kumanyanga ngakimogendererete murubiri ngakiure na gonya kinde kirose so kubwaterana elinda matanga aya minta bakare kieke abebia